how to know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. To check if someone is busy on a Snapchat call, you may follow up these methods. So head over and initiate a call to them. For that, open up the application for Snapchat. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now you may look out for this chat option in the bottom left corner of your screen, right beside the search bar. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding this particular interface with all of your chats. So what you need to do is basically head over to one of the chats and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be finding the chat opening like this. And in the top right corner, you should be finding a call and a video call option. So what you can do is basically go ahead and call them, tap on the call button, and if the call connects, they are not busy. But if you hear a busy tone or busy in another call message, or if the call cuts when you just head over and call them, they are likely that maybe because they're unable due to ongoing call or other Snapchat activity, and that's it. So you may just head over and initiate the call, and that way you can know if someone is busy on a Snapchat call or not. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.